Take 2 minutes out of your day to listen to a testimony from a past student of mine, as my one-of-a-kind online class is designed to end physical, emotional, and mental suffering that we all deal with in our lives. You will find the information for my online class at the end of the video.
Hi, my name is Kady Romagnolo, and I had an opportunity to take Jeff Saunders' training, Divine Light Energy Connecting to Your True Self. And I really just wanted to express how wonderful and how much value there was within this training. Jeff is somebody that has gone through some unbelievable things in life, and from his experiences, he's really been able to transfer that into a knowledge-based system that really allows for people to learn and grow from what he's gone through. And, there's some really powerful stories that he shares, and just some of the techniques and things that allow for you to really understand, what is energy, right? Energy is all around us. And how is it that we need to really embrace energy to allow for ourselves to heal from things that we've gone through? And, I really appreciated the components he had related to stress and anxiety, and, how that builds within the body and what it is that we can do to try and release some of that emotional connection to anxiety and what that really means. So I highly recommend this training for anybody that is, number one, looking for relief for themselves within having gone through something difficult in life, whether that's a trauma or abuse or, self-sabotage or just anything that really has not felt like good in your life. If there's something to overcome there, then I highly recommend getting in touch with him for this training. It is also a phenomenal resource for, coaches and practitioners like myself who do additional types of modality work and can really incorporate some of these techniques and just information behind what he's teaching into my own practices and with some of my clients. So thank you, Jeff. And I really look forward to what else you're going to do in the future, because your trainings and information are just so needed for where we are right now within the current state of things in the world. So thank you again.